can't compare it to other countries and say just because it's taking so long in those countries, we should take as long. I mean, let's be realistic. In 2009, a couple of weeks after the end of the war, the then President, now Prime Minister, signed a joint communique with the then UN Secretary General saying reconciliation, accountability, there'll be a solution to this country. Now, why has that not happened? I mean, we have the same actors in the political landscape even now. So it's more than a decade actually. Just forget the HRC actually. The Human Rights Council took on Sri Lanka because things were not working in the country. We've had continuous and successive governments have appointed commissions of inquiry.
Let's take, Bhavani, that I take your point for the moment, at this very moment only. Let's take a look at the UK for an example. When Tony Blair decided to invade Afghanistan in 2001 and then subsequently invade Iraq, he came out and said that they did not have any concrete evidence of weapons of mass destruction in Iraq. However, what did the United Nations Human Rights Commission do about it?
No,
what did the Human Rights Commission do about those statements that was made by Tony Blair years after being retired as the British Prime Minister? What measures have they taken?
Shamir, I don't think you should look at the Human Rights Council as going to solve all the problems. The Human Rights Council is one actor in the international arena. I mean, if you look at the Ukraine situation, the Security Council has not been able to pass a resolution because Russia vetoed it. Then you move it to the UN General Assembly. You had last week the Human Rights Council pass a resolution. Now the International Criminal Court, the prosecutor is saying he's starting an investigation. You have different actors. Is that going to solve a problem in a country? Those are particular pressure points. That's not it. End of the day, it comes back to the country. It comes back to a country which has a democratically elected government that should be actually delivering on these things. We shouldn't always be looking to the international community and the international fora as the answer.